I hate Instagram, but I've been making more of an effort to go on Twitter because something that you said whenever like we get real frustrated with like how to brand or push ourselves out is just like helping people. And for me at least, you can't really have that conversation on Instagram. It's not exactly like Twitter is that much better. It's like a very, very small fraction at least that you can have like a possibility of back and forth just because it's not only photo driven. So one of the most common phrases that I see pop up on Twitter is I have no idea how to work out, or I
Hmm.
have no idea what I'm doing. And I've been commenting on those trying to give ideas. So I
Awesome.
figured for our call, I'll go through Twitter right now. I'll pull up a tweet and then we can kind of brainstorm together like what type of comment we want to leave for that person.
Okay. Oh,
A-
there we go.
All right. So we plugged it in here. No idea workout. Um Now again, like sometimes people like they're just celebrating themselves,
Right,
like they're
right.
not always asking for help. So this girl Carly, she says, "Me and Jazz really be having the best workout right now. Like y'all have no idea."
Awesome. Keep, keep well, like for that, like, oh, dude, that's awesome. Like, y'all keep working out. Because, like, at the end of the day, like if you're putting it out there, and again, maybe this is just how I like view social media is like I enjoy interaction. Like when I put something out there, I don't just
Mhm.
like put it out there to like let my thoughts be out there.
Yeah,
Like if I have a thought that I don't want any action on, I like don't even say it. And maybe that's
right.
wrong, but like that's just how I look at social media. If I put something else out there, like if I was putting like, oh, I had a great workout today, I'd like want someone to like ask about it or like talk about it or say, oh
Yeah,
yeah, so, like
exactly, man. And me participating, it's of course I try to make the effort not to sound like a bot, but it'll be
yeah,
good just for us to like tag team a couple of
I
them.
like it.
Uh,
I like it. Live tweeting, dude. Let's go.
Let's see.
Let's
Okay, like
freaking
this
go.
girl, Sway Low, building idea. I think she meant to say IKEA. Building IKEA furniture with no air conditioning is the best workout I've ever gotten, hands down.
Have you ever moved a washer and dryer up 3 flights of stairs? That's brutal. I'm glad your furniture went together easy.
Okay, let's expand it to like, dang. Next
Like
step is to move a washer and dryer up and down the stairs. That'd be
progress, not perfection.
yeah. There we go.
Pro-
Hashtag progress, not perfection. If it's not an ab workout, then I really have no idea WTF I'm doing or should be doing. I need to get my together and get a workout routine.
let's see. So like very basics. Like this would be like an awesome time for us to like link to like a starter video. Honestly,
Hmm.
like because like we could easily throw out like find like how I would want to phrase this would be like that's a great idea. Like that's a great idea to like add more to your routine. I would find 3 or 4 basic movements and do those 3 times a week for starters. And then like you can like feel free to like ask us about those because like yeah like if she's able to find like a, a knee flexion, a hip flexion, a knee, a hip, a push and a pull exercise, we can, she can roll on that for a long time and make some progress with not needing a lot of knowledge to get started. So, like, that would be a cool way to go. Using them 3 times a week is how, like, just keep it. And I would just say, like, hashtag keep it simple.
Here we go. This is from Grace. I have no idea how people work out at home. I can't motivate myself without the imagined judgment of the people next to me that I didn't spend enough time on the Stairmaster.
That's hilarious. So, like, yeah, I would start out with, like, that's honestly hilarious. And then I would, like, go into, like, home workouts are all based around like having a plan. Like today I'm going to do this, and that way you can have the sense of accomplishment. It's not motivation anymore at home because yeah, most people have like the feel of like the motivation of like all the other people working harder around them at the gym, and so it's obviously the home workouts like I'm in the privacy of my own home. No one will know if I did or didn't work out. But if I have a plan or if I have a calendar I like keep check like tabs on, it'll just get you in a routine of like accomplishment.